Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut on TikTok. So here, if you want to find a template, maybe CapCut templates, but you want to find it on TikTok, I'm going to show you how you can just explore on your FYP or For You page until you find this kind of button. CapCut try this template or CapCut trending captions template like this. You can click on that option and click on try on CapCut, and after that you'll be directed to the CapCut app. So if you already installed the app, you can just click on try on CapCut, then just select the videos that you want to edit. So let's say I want to edit this video because the CapCut button that I select before is CapCut captions template. So CapCut will ask me to automatically generate the auto caption. So you can just click on generate. But if you want to find a specific templates on CapCut through TikTok, you can just use the search column. So let's go back first. Here you can just click on the search column at the top and just type in the keyword. For example, I'm going to use this keyword CapCut template aesthetics. So as you guys can see here, there are lots of templates that I can select. For example, this one's right here, and there will be this button like the one that I select before. CapCut try this template. So you can just follow the same steps like before that I show you. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.